What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying that today's video is about the end of the week recap. We do this each and every week to close out our weeks on this 100K journey, guys, and I want to make sure that I'm staying on cue. Listen, guys, also I saw this, and this is our road to 1 million subscribers. I thought this was very fitting. If you want to join this movement, please make sure that you like and subscribe, and make sure that you can at least grab 1 or 2 other people and have them do the same thing, guys. I'm telling you, there's no other place like this on YouTube where you can have this much success and this much fun all at the same time, guys. Listen, if I helped you in any way, whether I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Before we jump into today's video, I want to let you guys know the emails are pouring through, okay? And listen, I see each and every one. However, I can't get to each and every one. So if you have paid for a weekly option play for next week, you're good to go. You will get your weekly option plays via email on this Sunday night, okay? If you have paid for our master's class, a put options master class, our options only for beginners, okay? It's all the same, okay, on my website. You guys will get the link to that class in a few days, okay? So I see all the emails. Do not be disgruntled if I don't respond. You guys have been flooding the emails 5,000 at a time, and so it's just impossible to respond to all of those. So I wanted to make sure that I touch on that to let you guys know I see you, I got you, and you'll be okay. Your payments came through. You guys are just spot on. You guys are crushing it. But again, it's too much to respond to when you all got the same exact questions, okay? So just know you will be taken care of. Sit tight. Everything will be all right. Okay, guys, another week is in the books, which means, again, we had another chance to do what we do. Fortunately for us, because we are so diverse and well-versed in what we do, we had the Boeing home run, and then today, guys, we hit another one out the park with the Viacom put option. I'm going to talk about that in just a second, but first I want to go through the type of week we had. Today was pretty flat. It closed out the week on a pretty quiet note, nothing to write home about, okay? But let's go ahead and take a look at what our weeks looks like. As you can see, on the week, I'm down almost 6.5%. That is the equivalent of over $10,000, around $10,600 to be specific, okay? Zoom in on this, guys, because as much as I'm gonna celebrate the victories with you, I'm gonna always show you the down days so you can get a keen understanding of how the market works, okay? These are what's known as paper losses, okay? I'm not really losing $10,000, okay? As long as I don't make a boneheaded move and sell, all of this and some will come back, okay? I have reiterated that several times throughout this little correction and these little inflation booms we've had. But just in case you're new, just in case you didn't go back and watch previous videos, that's one thing you all should do. If you're new here, go back and watch yesterday's video. Go back and watch the day before video. One thing about me, you'll see consistency, okay? You'll see someone that's consistent in all he does and everything that he says. And 99.9% of the things that I say comes true. But listen, guys, make sure you do that if you're new. We're down over $10,000 for the week, okay? Again, this too shall pass. This is just things correcting and running this course. I'm actually excited. I'm always excited about this because when you are an investor, you understand these are the real opportunities that you get in the market, because when things bounce back and take off, these plays will double, triple, so on and so forth. Really quickly, guys, I want to touch on our put option. Again, I'm not expecting all of you to have participated in it, but for those of you that may have, major salute, okay? I already know, again, I do this, guys. I'm not new to this. I've been true to this for a long time. That's why the doubt always throws me off, okay? When somebody is consistently, not these other people that might get something every blue moon, but I'm talking about when you consistently, time and time again, hits them off the park. Success on top of success on top. Again, I don't see where the hate comes from, but hey, we love them too. But anyway, guys, this was another one. We bought this at $70. It fell all the way down to $45 today. Another one in the books. I don't have to say much on this. I just want to come love on you guys. Make sure you know that we say swish in the hashtags. as well as I want to see some champagne bottles for those of you that did partake in this, okay? In terms of stocks to sell, I want you guys to do a deep dive this week, okay? I want you to really assess what you're currently holding, what are you up in, what is going to be long-term versus short-term, what is just a trade for you, okay? You have to go through and do that assessment, okay? You are the CEO of your portfolio, so you got to overlook the lay of the land, okay? And I want you to be very honest with yourself about what you're holding. Some of you may be holding too many plays, and that right there alone is an opportunity for you to get rid of some stocks, okay? So again, that's going to be the work of what we are going to do over this weekend so that we can come back and be better on Monday morning, okay? Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is portfolio rebalance. Listen, guys, at some point you want to, again, look at what you're holding. You want to make sure that you're not overweight in one area. Some of you might be heavy on tech and then you don't have any travel plays, or you might be heavy on oil and you don't have any consumer discretionary plays, okay? Listen, guys, it's important to be balanced, okay? Go through, look at your portfolio this week, kind of look at what you're holding too much of, and more importantly, if you are holding penny stocks, aka easy money plays, you definitely need to get rid of those, okay? Yes, I might bring some more to the table tomorrow, but I'm even just considering some of that right now just because I know what will get beat down in this market, and you guys don't seem like you're selling the plays in 1 or 2 weeks. I'm reviewing way too many portfolios and I'm seeing the penny stocks is all your holdings. You don't even have Tesla, you don't even have Apple, you don't even have the real companies. You got all penny stocks, and that is not the game, okay? So I'll keep working with you guys to get you on the right track. But again, go through and assess your portfolio. It's time for a portfolio rebalance. This is a great time to do it. Up next, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from KA. Patiently waiting for Chris to pick my comment to be the question of the day. Been following you since I started investing last year. Love what you do. I'm a long-term investor at the age of 23 and look forward to hitting more home runs with your guidance. KA, I just wanted to let you know, man, I see you and I appreciate you. I wanted to highlight this. I don't even know if this is the real question you had, but this is what I was able to see and find on you. And so I wanted to share and highlight that today, man. Listen, guys, I just want to more importantly let you all know I love you. I appreciate you guys. Keep up the good work. Let's keep 10 toes down and keep staying the course, okay? Again, these are to me, the beauty of the stock market. But for some of you that are new and don't know about these downturns and these cyclical weeks, again, it can be a little harder to stomach. I want you to stay the course. I want you to remain calm, maintain your composure. It'll be okay. This will pass, like I always tell you, and then there'll be green week after green week, and you'll be hoping for a red day and wishing you was buying on these type of days. But listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.